So you want to install some shelving at home, maybe level up your pictures, or you're chasing around for that elusive gift. It's really hard to go past that little digital level Farway box that we have here. We turn that on and we've got a digital level that will read the angle in degrees. So if we're wanting to read angles or set that level. It's magnetic on the back and on the base. If we turn that upside down and magnetise that onto a beam, the display will flip so we can still read the unit. The great feature about this though is if we hit that power button now, we've got a laser off to the left, power a second time, a laser to the right, third time we get a laser both left and right, which makes that fantastic for installing those shelves or levelling those pictures. To use it at home on your plaster walls, we have that steel bracket with the sticky base, and we can stick that onto our wall. It's designed not to pull the paint off your wall, and then magnetise that onto that, and again get the heights of our pictures, shelves, whatever we're after. There's a hold function for when we're using it as a digital level and we want to read and hold that function out of view. We can change that from percentage, or we can change that from degrees to percentage of angle, and there's also a self-calibration feature within that. It's powered by a lithium-ion battery, comes with a USB charging cable which you simply plug into your own USB charger. Anyway, great little gift or fantastic little tool for all those basic levelling tasks around your house. Click on the buy button and grab one today.